I could hang out with a cartoon character, it will be Scooby-Doo. So Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Hi, I'm Joanna. I come from Germany and live near Hanover. I work for a label manufacturer here in Germany, and there I'm in the sales. My type of hair loss is alopecia areata. As you can see, I have some circle bald parts on my head. But it's no problem for me. I'm more than hair and you are more than hair if you have alopecia. So what? No problem. The best part of being an education ambassador is that you know things in the right way and you can help other people with this knowledge. Eine Sache, die ich über mich selbst gelernt habe, ist, seitdem ich ein Education Ambassador bin, dass ich niemals auslernen werde, was Perücken angeht. Es gibt so viele Sachen, die man lernen kann, und ich finde das auch total toll. Also ich bin glücklich darüber, auch das Wissen zu vermitteln, und das macht mir halt auch Spaß. Some of my guilty pleasures are, yes, of course, ice cream, maybe. I love sweet things, and I can eat cake to breakfast and to the lunch and the whole day. I love sweet things.